Hello students, everyone. Welcome back to your online classes. I hope everyone is fine. We will continue with the same topic, that is up you go. So here are the exercises. Tell. Is there anyone in your class whose language you do not understand or who does not understand yours? So in your class, if there is any student, if there is anyone whose language you do not understand and your language also they doesn't understand, what do you do in such a case? So in that case, so what you all do, you have to write the answers. Have you ever lost your way? What did you do then? So while going somewhere, so if you have ever lost your way, then that time what did you do? You have to give the answer. Why do you think Khondonbi would have sung loudly? So in the story we heard that Khondonbi was singing loudly. So why do you think that she was singing loudly? Because she may be frightened, so because of that she may be singing very loudly. Have you ever seen someone doing something special to get over their fear? What and when? So in order to overcome their fear, so if you have seen someone doing something, then when and what and when, so you have to give the answers. Try. Ask your friend for a book without speaking. So what you have to do is, this one you can do with your friends. You can ask your friend for a book, but you should not speak. Try to explain something to the class in the same way. So you have to try to explain something to the class in the same way, that means without speaking. So today's subtopic is a special guest, that is 15th February 1984. So special guest means a person who is invited to perform or appear at an event, or on a television or radio show. After dinner we met a special guest. So after having their dinner, they met with a special guest. And she is none other than Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal. She had just been selected as a part of the team to climb Mount Everest. So now she has been appointed as a part of their team to climb Mount Everest. She had come to seek the blessings of Brigadier Gyan Singh. Now why she has come as a special guest? She has come to seek the blessings from whom? Brigadier Gyan Singh. Seek means attempt or desire to obtain or achieve something. It was a happy evening. We were all singing, and that time it was a happy evening and they all were singing. Bachendri also joined us in singing and dancing on the famous Pahari song. And Bachendri also joined their group while they were singing. And they were dancing on the famous Pahari song. Bachendri, she joined and she was dancing on the famous Pahari song, that is Bedu Pako Baramasa Kafal Pakyo Chaita Meri Chela. In this song she was dancing. At that time we had no idea that Bachendri would become the first Indian woman to reach Mount Everest and create history. Till that time no one knew that Bachchandri would become the first Indian woman to reach Mount Everest and create history. Okay. Camp in the snow, that is 18 February 1984. Now they are having camp in the snow. We were standing at a height of 2134 meters. Now they were at a height of 2134 meters. We were to spend the night here, so they had to spend their nights. Okay. Everyone was busy trying to put up the tent, so they have to stay at night. So because of that, everyone was busy putting their tent. Okay. We used double layered plastic sheets for the tent and for the ground. So they used double layered plastic sheets for the tent as well as for the ground. The air between the layers would help us to keep us warm, so that the air between the double layered plastic sheets will help them to keep them warm. We put in the pegs and began to put up the tent. So we put in the pegs. Pegs means fix, secure or mark. Okay. With a peg or pegs or fix at a particular label. Okay. And they began to put up the tent. As we tied it from one side, the wind flew the tent from the other side. And as they were tying from one side and the other side, the wind flew the tent. Okay. After quite a lot of pulling and tugging, we managed to get the tent up. So because of wind, again and again they have to pull and tug the tent. So after some time they were managed to get the tent up. Now their tent is ready. Then we dug a drain around the tent. So around the tent they also dug a drain. Okay. We were feeling hungry. Now they were feeling very hungry. Okay. They were starving. We collected some firewood and stones to make a chula and cooked some food. So they were feeling hungry and they tried to collect some firewood and stones in order to make a chula, so that when they will make a chula, so that they can cook some food for them. Okay. After the meal, we collected all the waste in a bag to clean the campsite. So after having the dinner, so what they did is they collected all the waste in a bag to clean the campsite. Soon we got into our sleeping bags. So now after cleaning the campsite, they went to sleep into their sleeping bags. I was not sure if I would be able to sleep in it, and she was not sure that whether she will be able to sleep in that sleeping bags or not. Would it be comfortable? Would I not feel cold? But the bags were filled with soft feathers which help in keeping us warm. So now she is asking herself that whether that sleeping bags will be comfortable or not, or whether she will feel cold or not. She was asking herself. But the sleeping bags were filled with soft feathers. So that soft feathers helps them to keep them warm. Okay. We were all very tired. So now they are exhausted. Okay, tired. So very soon we fall asleep. So they were very tired. So because of that, now they have fallen asleep very fast. The next morning we woke up and found that it was snowing. So the next morning when they wake up, they found that outside it was snowing. Okay, white soft fluffy snowflakes were gently falling. So they also saw that in a white color, soft fluffy snowflakes were gently falling. Wow, it was so beautiful, and that snowflakes were very beautiful. The plants, the trees, the grass, and the mountains, everything looked white. So, everywhere, okay? Everything and everywhere, like the plants, the trees, the grass, and the mountains, everything was in white color, okay? Today, we want to climb higher to 2700 meters. So, now today, they had to climb higher, okay, than before, that is 2700 meters. We walked carefully on the snow with the help of sticks. So, and they were walking very carefully on the snow, taking the help of sticks. It was difficult because we kept sleeping. And you already know the meaning of sleeping. Sleeping, okay. While walking on the snow, they were finding difficult to walk in the snow, and they were sleeping. By afternoon, we had reached snow-covered mountains. So, by the afternoon, they have arrived snow, which was covered with snow-covered mountains. Okay, they have reached the mountains which was covered with snow. We enjoyed throwing snowballs at each other and making a big snowman. So, like like if you go to a place which is in Sikkim, that is called Changu Lake, okay, there also in the month of December to March, everywhere we find snow, okay. So there also many tourists goes and visit that place, and they will enjoy very much. So they also in that way they also enjoyed, okay, throwing snowballs at each other, and they were also making a big snowman, okay. I hope you all understand till here. Thank you.